People often ask me, which platform should I focus on to help my brands to reach Chinese audience? Here is the answer. Hey, welcome to my channel, a place you will find useful information on China's social media marketing, e-commerce, and entrepreneurship. Today, we are going to take a closer look at two of the most popular Chinese social media apps, TikTok, or Douyin in Chinese, and WeChat. In this video, I'm going to compare these two apps using 4 different factors. Just before we start, the TikTok we are referring to here is not the TikTok that we normally talk about in the Western countries. It is actually the Chinese version called Douyin, whose parent company is called ByteDance. Let's start off with the user profiles. In terms of the total monthly active users, WeChat is the clear winner with 1.2 billion users, compared to 570 million TikTokers in China. Majority of the WeChat traffic and followers are referred by the circle of friends or interests, hence they are more loyal to the brands compared to TikTok users. Most of the WeChat users have the financial ability to purchase online. The data from Tencent, WeChat's parent company, has shown that the average ability of purchasing amount of WeChat active users can reach to 90 USD, and this is significantly higher than TikTok users, who are mainly Generation Z. Let's compare the traffic for each app. Given the source of WeChat traffic, majority of the traffic are private traffic by referral. As a result, it will be difficult to gain initial followers when you first set up your WeChat account. Whereas for TikTok platform, your brand will have the opportunity to be pushed by TikTok algorithm to your potential audience. Having said that, you need to have good content, which brings us to the third factor, content. TikTok is featuring for its short videos, and it is very dynamic and user interactive. TikTokers can comment, like, share, and even duet your original content, which would help your brand to reach out to more users. WeChat is a platform initially focusing on graphics, be it on WeChat Moments, WeChat Official Accounts, or WeChat mini programs. The content needs to be graphically appealing, and of course, it needs to be informative. Even though WeChat is now starting its short video platform called WeChat Channels, which you can find out more information from this video here, but it is still not the same as TikTok. Finally, let's check out the e-commerce component. WeChat itself is a very well-developed ecosystem. It has its own mini programs, WeChat Pay, and other e-commerce features. It is also compatible with JD, one of the largest e-commerce companies in China. TikTok, on the other hand, doesn't have its own e-commerce facilities and payment method. Therefore, the e-commerce component is teamed up with other e-commerce platforms, such as JD, Taobao, and VIP, to name a few. Alright, let's have a recap. WeChat has a larger user profile compared to TikTok. Traffic of WeChat is more by referral, whereas the traffic of TikTok is public. For content types, WeChat is more focusing on graphics, whereas TikTok is more on short videos. For e-commerce, WeChat has its own e-commerce system and also teamed up with JD. Whereas for TikTok, it is teamed up with Taobao, JD, and VIP. So now, you can tell me which app suits your brand better. Please leave your comments down below. If you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe this channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching and see you next week.